Do you know what a vision board is? Would you like to know how you can create one to help you to achieve the goals and the life that you want? Then stay tuned as I share with you what a vision board is and how you can use it to benefit you in your life. So stay tuned. I'm Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing inspiration, motivation and encouragement to help you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you will hear me say that we get more of what we think about. We get more of what we focus on. So what a vision board is a way of helping to focus your mind on what you want. We spend too much time thinking about what we don't want, and when we think about it, that creates a vision of that. So a vision board is a way of kind of turning that around to help you to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. And it's a tool. It's also known as a dream board, and I like to call it a treasure map, because when I first introduced this concept to my son when he was younger, he was really into pirates, so we called it his treasure map. And he put on his all the things he wanted, and he ended up achieving all of those at the time. So simply put, a vision board is a way of you creating kind of a snapshot, a visual representation of the things that you want, the goals that you want, the intentions that you would like, and the things that you would like to achieve in your life. But it's more than just a pretty picture. You know, you can get really creative with it, and you can cut things out, you can print things off, and you can stick it all together. And the idea is that you put it somewhere prominent so that you can look at it, reflect upon it, and keep it in your frame of reference and keep your focus aimed towards those things. But it is more than a pretty picture, because it kind of helps you to connect to the feelings of what it would be like when you achieve it. And that, for me, is more important than the picture of it. So when you sit down, when you get ready to create your vision board, what I'd like you to do is write down in as much description what you want to achieve, what your intentions are, create your picture to go with it. But by doing that, you're getting your thoughts, you're thinking about it, which then creates a vision in your mind, and then you can start to take action towards achieving it. But it's the feeling of what it will be like once you've achieved it that's going to drive you towards it. So sometimes people do these, stick them up and then forget about them, and to a certain degree that will help. But what I want you to do is to create it, think about it, but also connect the feeling, the energy and the emotion behind what it will be like once you achieve that. Remember, your thoughts lead to your feelings, and your feelings lead to your actions. And just look around you. Everything that was ever created first started as a vision in somebody else's mind. So maybe is it time for you to spend more time thinking and focusing your awareness on the things that you actually want? And maybe the tool of a vision board will help you to achieve that. And like I said, it is a tool. Creating one alone, I don't believe will change your life and help it to happen. You've then got to take action towards it. But when you get clarity, when you get focus on what you want, then it becomes easier for you to take action towards it. So your action for today is take some time to think about, to write down in as much detail as you can what you actually want, and then create a wonderful treasure map for the treasure that you would like to achieve in your life, and then take action towards it. And remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve. So allow yourself to think differently, to believe in yourself, to take the action so that you can achieve the life that you want now. Go on, you can do it.